Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri rang ba ka jela ukonrat kongkel sangma ula Pynshai biang ba ka jingthung Bujli ki officer ki badang don ka kam kade ka balale kat kum ki kindon jong ka Meghalaya Lokayukta baru loong ba ulong uba Kloi ban Ïakynduh lada don ki ba Ïakynduh halor kani kamat. Menteri rang ba ula penpau ya kani hagas ngi baar ka arpusau trik ukela lingkot arajar arpusau hababu jingkeli biang halor ka jingthung Bujli di ki officer ki badang don ka kam haga jaka jong ki officer ki bala syong tat na ka kam ban don hapo ka Meghalaya Lokayukta uloong ban nado basdang habathong yu director of inquiry amshim labut renti ya ki kindon ka bamut bala shule tangkum ka jing penbet ka basipor khnang ban yo sedang ni jing trekam ka Meghalaya Lokayukta kamtam namar ba khamduna officer kamtam namar ba ki officer ki day ban day ki bala don ka kerdan secretary shaneng kumta ulaong bakum ka jing penbet ka basipor lale ya kani ha ka bala penkhre leparu ban thung bet de ki officer ki ba don ka kerdan secretary shaneng bat kala simpor shisnem ban yo ya ki bakum kita ki officer ki bala keo syaka kerdan sekretari menteri rang ba ula ongru bata ka bathung de ki officer ki badang don ka kam ka wei ka long ba ka jingseuru kam don namar ba ki dei ki badan ka kam henrei ki ya ki officer ki bala syong thaj pat ka sarkar ka hap bandon kerpang ka jing penlut susu namar hap seu tulop kat ba ya ki badang don ka kam pat ki dei ki bala yo tulop lepa. Habakali halor ka jing Ïakynduh bat ka sengsan partai Voice of the People Party hagabayday bat kani ka mat menteri rang ba ulaong ba ulong ubala Kloi ban Ïakynduh ladadon ki ba Ïakynduh halor kani ka mat
which the person earlier, the director of inquiries was appointed, the rules were not followed in the sense that it was a temporary arrangement because we needed to immediately start the work. We had, in the sense, some shortage of officials working because it has to be an officer of a secretary level and above. And hence, we had a bit of an issue in the sense we had a shortage of officers. So we decided at that point in time that we will, as a temporary arrangement, go for a retired officer, which is not as per the rules. And hence, to rectify that and to make it regularize that, we have followed the rules which says that it has to be an officer of the rank of a secretary. Number 2 point is that when we appoint a person who is retired, then government takes additional expenditure. If it's a serving officer, there is no expenditure because he or she gets a salary. But an additional retired person means we have to spend from our own side. And hence, it was in the interest of the rules to be followed and in the interest of the expenditure for the state that this post be regularized. We were working on it to regularize it very much before this, but then later on, it took us about a year and a half almost, but we have regularized the process. So this is purely as per the rules and procedures that need to be followed.
Will you meet the political parties?
We are very open. Whoever is there, if anybody wants to meet, they can come and meet.